On this week's episode of In the Kitchen with Ollie, boiled and baked, spicy wedges. Ingredients: wash and peel potatoes. Place the peeled potatoes in a bowl of water. Cut the potatoes lengthwise to a thickness of your liking. As you can see, I like my wedges a little chunky. Drain the water. Add Nando's Peri-Peri sauce or a hot sauce of your liking. Add some Cajun seasoning. Some garlic granules or fresh garlic. Add some Aromat Seasoning or salt. Then drizzle some olive oil. Transfer the seasoned potatoes to a pot. Pour boiling water, then parboil the potatoes for 12 to 15 minutes on a medium heat. Remove from heat, then drain the water. Leave in a colander and allow to cool. To a small microwavable container, add butter or lard, some olive oil, lemon and herb Nando seasoning or any spicy seasonings of your choice. Microwave until butter has melted. Line a baking tray with parchment paper. Transfer the parboiled potatoes to the lined baking tray. Add dried or fresh parsley, Cajun seasoning, Nando's Peri-Peri lemon and herb seasoning, ground black pepper. Add the melted seasoned butter. Bake the potatoes in a preheated oven set at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. Remove from oven and allow to cool. And that's it. I highly recommend these spicy wedges. These went down a treat, definitely a 9.75 out of 10. Thank you so much for watching. Share the video with your friends and family. If you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell me what you think in the comment section below if you make them. Love you all and God bless. See you next Thursday.